Very good evening from London. Has been another session dominated by the concerns regarding the European periphery, not to rake over too much old ground, but continued concerns regarding the Spanish regions, and with the Troika coming back to Greece to create their latest analysis starting from tomorrow, we have seen a pullback across the riskier asset classes. Just an hour or two ago we saw LCH ClearNet raise their margin requirements for certain Italian and Spanish bonds, both particularly in the 7 to 10 year sector, so we could see these concerns heightened in trade again tomorrow. Looking at the US equity market specifically, we did open sharply lower regarding or following Europe, but since the European equity cash close, there's been a general trend over the last couple of months or so to US equity markets to pull off their session lows, as has been the case today. It's worth noting that overnight we do have the Chinese FLAS manufacturing PMI for July, which has gained market attention. There is some general concerns regarding this number and the general cooling we've seen of the Chinese economy of late, and therefore we have seen WTI and Brent crude futures sell off into the NYMEX pit close, and we could see some squaring of positions as we head toward the market close on Wall Street today. In terms of earnings, one of the focus has been on McDonald's pre-market, missing on the headline EPS and on the revenue, so it has been a pretty mixed earnings season so far, and we do have some of the heavy names, especially tomorrow after the market close. We have Apple reporting, and they did, or the current EPS is expected at around $10.40, so be closely watched in terms of the broader market sentiment in terms of the Apple earnings. After the market close today, we do have Texas Instruments, so that's something to look forward to, but otherwise it's been a pretty muted Monday, and we are expecting volume to pick up slightly tomorrow, but still we are in the summer holiday period. That's enough from me. Hope you've had a good trading day, and we'll join you bright and early for the usual start tomorrow. Thank you.